Is AI taking over call center jobs in the Philippines? Or is it creating a new digital workforce instead? Is your BPO job in the Philippines safe from AI? In the next few minutes, we'll uncover whether artificial intelligence is killing the call center industry or transforming it into something new. For decades, the Philippines has been the world's call center capital. With its English-speaking workforce, friendly culture, and lower costs, it became the go-to destination for global companies needing customer support. This business process outsourcing, or BPO industry, created millions of jobs and became a massive pillar of the Philippine economy. From answering phone calls to managing data, Filipino talent powered businesses worldwide. But now, a powerful new force is changing everything. Artificial intelligence. You've probably already interacted with it. AI-powered chatbots that answer your questions on a website, voice bots that guide you through a company's phone menu, and automated systems that process your information instantly. These tools are getting smarter every day. Generative AI can now write emails, summarize conversations, and even handle complex customer issues. Simple, repetitive tasks like password resets, order tracking, and basic inquiries are increasingly being handled by AI, not humans. This has led to a big, looming question. Are millions of BPO jobs about to disappear? It's easy to see why people are worried. If a bot can handle a customer's problem faster and cheaper, why hire a person? Reports suggest that a significant percentage of entry-level tasks could be automated. This is a real concern for the many Filipinos whose livelihoods depend on these roles. The fear is that the industry that lifted so many families out of poverty could be on the brink of a major crisis. Job displacement is not just a possibility. It's already happening in some areas, but that's only half the story. While some jobs are disappearing, new ones are being created. Think about it. Who builds and trains these AI systems? People do. We now have new roles like AI trainers who teach bots how to communicate more effectively. There are prompt engineers who craft the right questions to get the best results from AI. Data analysts are needed to interpret the massive amounts of information that AI systems collect, helping companies understand their customers better. And then there are the hybrid agents. These are customer service professionals who work alongside AI. The AI handles the simple stuff, freeing up the human agent to focus on complex, emotional, or high-value problems that require a human touch. Instead of being replaced, many workers are being elevated. Their jobs are becoming more skilled, more creative, and more strategic. So, what does this look like on the ground in the Philippines? BPO companies aren't just sitting back and watching this happen. They are actively investing in upskilling their workforce. Employees are being trained in data analysis, digital marketing, content creation, and even basic AI management. The focus is shifting from simply following a script to solving complex problems and providing a superior customer experience. The new model is AI-human collaboration. An agent might use an AI tool to quickly pull up a customer's history or get real-time suggestions for how to solve a problem, allowing them to provide faster and more accurate service. The industry is evolving from a low-cost voice service provider to a high-value digital solutions hub. The goal is no longer just to answer calls, but to manage the entire customer journey using a blend of technology and human expertise. This brings us to the future outlook. Is the Philippine BPO industry dying? The answer is no. It's transforming. AI is incredibly powerful, but it has its limits. It lacks genuine empathy, creativity, and the ability to understand nuanced human emotions. You can't automate a heartfelt apology or build a genuine rapport with a frustrated customer through a machine alone. These uniquely human skills are becoming more valuable than ever. The future of the BPO industry in the Philippines will rely on its ability to combine these human strengths with the efficiency of AI. The country's advantage is no longer just about cost, but about its talented workforce that can adapt and work with new technologies. It's about moving up the value chain, from performing simple tasks to orchestrating complex digital services. So, let's circle back to our original question. Will AI take your job? The reality is a bit more complex. AI isn't necessarily replacing people, but people who know how to use AI will likely replace those who don't. The key to staying relevant in this new era is not to fear technology, but to embrace it. It's about continuous learning, developing new skills, and focusing on the human qualities that no machine can replicate. The BPO industry is in the middle of a massive change, but for those willing to adapt, this isn't an ending, it's a new beginning. Thank you for watching. What are your thoughts on AI's impact on the job market? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.